All right, so this is the variety Paul Voth, which is really nice dark purple. I'm going to bet that it's going to look more reddish purple to you, which, you know, it kind of does here, I suppose. But, you know, if it doesn't have so much sun on it, it looks more dark, just straight up purple. But really nice color, about 6.5-inch blooms, 38 inches tall, so relatively tall. Paul Voth. All right, so this next variety is So Lovely. It's listed as a near white, and if you don't put it up against something that's really white, it will look near white in your garden. But it's really a really pale yellow. You know, really late season bloomer, just now getting going. It has an interesting trait that oftentimes it will have what are known as proliferations. So if you see on this bloomscape here, this little plant coming off the side, this is a proliferation. And if you were to harvest this, which you can, it will be an identical match. You would have another plant of So Lovely. And we've done a video on proliferations if you want to check that out and get more information about those. So this is So Lovely. So this next variety is the variety Starstruck, and this is one of our own introductions, an all-American selection, so it's been really popular around the country. Nice bright gold color, big wide petals, ruffled edges, just a really nice show of color later on in the season. It also has prolis. I showed you before on the other variety, So Lovely, but these are just now coming on, so they'll get bigger as the season progresses. So this is Starstruck. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some of our nice late season bloomers. We've grown daylilies for over 40 years, and we love talking about all things daylily. So if you have any questions about anything daylily related, you can put them in the comments below, or our contact information is on our website. We would love to hear from you, and thanks for watching.